Amanda. Hello, my name is Amanda. Amanda, you. I'm very unsure about the rapture. I don't think I can fly that far. So I'm not very sure about it. You don't have to fly yourself, Amanda. No, what if I have to fly? I don't want to fly that far. No. You don't have to fly there yourself. You will be taken up there in a blink of an eye. No, I'm not sure. No. Bobby is very excited, but I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll ask Bobby then. Bobby, what do you say about the rapture? Are you excited? Are you excited about the rapture? Going to live in heaven? Yes, we're very excited. Yes. It will be wonderful. Yes. Yes. I think it is this Friday, the 14th of February, because that is 7 weeks and 777 days after 11/11/11. Oh, I can't wait. It will be very good for us. Yes, live in heaven. It will be good, yes. See, Amanda, Bobby is excited. Why can't you be excited, Amanda? No, Amanda, no. I'm too old. I'm too old to fly this far. You don't have to fly there yourself. Come on, Amanda. You'll be transferred there in a blink of an eye. Come on. Well, regardless of how you feel, we will go. We will go. All three of us. I will take you with me to heaven. And I do believe it is this Friday, the 14th. It's Valentine's Day as well. And a lot of numbers that looks very good for that day. The 14th of February, week 7 of this year. And if you write it as 14/02/2014, it will say 14/0/22/014, and that is 7 plus 7, 11 plus 11, and 7 plus 7. And well, it looks good on paper, and it's Valentine's Day, International Day of Love. Everything looks so good for that day. So it might be. I'm hoping. Oh, come on, Bobby. Don't argue. You don't have to argue. Amanda will go. She doesn't have to believe. She is saved, Bobby. That's enough. She's saved. Yeah, I'm saved. Yes. Yeah, my name is Amanda. Take care now. Bye then. Yeah.